Do you mind telling me that who is your favorite teacher and why?
Okay, my favorite teacher is Tasnim Miss, and she is really friendly, and she teaches me English, and she is also my mother. And the way teaches me, it's like when she teaches me, she doesn't see me as a daughter. She actually sees me as a student, and she never does partial works. And sometimes in the coaching, in my father's coaching, when she teaches or giving exams, she doesn't. It's like sometimes like the parents help or you give hints, but no, my mother is like loyal about stuff. She is loyal about education, and I really like her teaching skills. Like the way she teaches me, not like I never seen any English teacher teach this with passion and dedication. So, what about yours? What's your favorite teacher?
So my favorite teacher is Alvina Miss because she teaches the complex lessons into easier way, and she is helpful and she never showed impartiality. Like no matter if you are a topper or a backbencher, she sees you as a same and equal student.
Okay, so what's your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is science. How about yours?
Well, I got two favorite subjects. One is physics and biology. I like these two science subjects.